Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I am going to show you one of the good thing like what I'll show. For example, the gcloud command is already available in Google Cloud document. So instead of putting directly that copy paste that command, how the in the page itself, how we can change the project ID or whatever the changes is needed, you can change. So let me show you. Here one sample gcloud command is here, just how it is changing the my project id is needed. So how you can just edit and place your project id. So wherever the component is needed to some editing is required as for your project id, so you can how you can able to change quickly. So instead of copy paste, then again over there you can just change, no, just browser itself you can just edit and put your project id, then you can just execute that command into the your live whatever you are looking for. So this is a small thing, but it will be helpful to you how you can quickly edit and put into the live in action in your project in your environment. So I hope this video will be helpful, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.